Hi, this is Pankaj Kumar. Today I am with MDA Clark.
Hi, this is MD Clarkur Rahman from Brasomera.
Let's begin discussions. What's your view on education system in Bihar?
This is very pathetic condition in the Bihar. If we just see the student of Bihar, they are not getting a good education in the terms of getting higher education, in the terms of getting engineering education too. If we see the student conditions in the Bihar, we just feel pity for him because I am also from the Bihar states. Most of the students are afraid. Most of the students feel very pity for getting higher education. If we just take example of the LS college from where we get the higher education, but on not times we get the result on we get the result on we get the result on 5 years, 5 years and three, not on 3 years. What's required to be the graduate students? If we see the conditions in the government schools, which is very pathetic conditions. If we see the students, they are not disciplined, they are undisciplined, you can say that even teachers, they are not providing such types of education which are very essential to be the best student. So totally we can say that really it's a very pathetic condition in Bihar.
Okay. In these discussions, I asked you about new education system. Okay. So what's your view on new education system?
This is a very good idea taken by the state, taken by the central government, because it was recommended in 1962 by the Kothari Commission, but it was not brought. So we can say that it's a very good idea. There is a lot positive points. There are a lot of positive points which could be discussed everywhere, and which is being discussed by the experts, by the you can say the leaders. In this education policy, 6% GDP will be spent on the education system. That is very good idea. If we see the other countries, Finland and Canada and other states, where the most of the countries are spending more than 5% of the GDP. If we take example of the Finland, where the 7% of the GDP is spending over the education systems. So we can really say that there should be a large amount in terms of GDP, so that we can develop a good education.
Okay. The next question will be tell me positive points of this system.
This, the most important, as I believe that the 6% GDP is the positive points, because it was recommended in 1962, but was not implemented. But it is going to be implemented by the central government. This is the most positive point. If we just take the second positive point, we can say that the system 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 system. This is a very good system. It's based on the Western system, where the children are getting higher education, getting higher skilled teachers, through which they are getting higher knowledge. And if we just take example of the third one, positive points, which is online education. As we see in this difficult condition due to the pandemic, we are not getting education through the school, through the university. So this is a very important steps taken by the central government. If we just see the fourth one, positive steps, that is a vocational course, which is gonna be taught by the teachers in the sixth class, and that is very fruitful for the student. If we just take the positive point of the fourth number, we can really say that in this new education system, means singular regulated system will be built, through which all the examination will be conducted. So these are the positive points.
Okay. So next question is that as you know, regional language is controversial points. What should be the main language for all?
This is really a controversial point, because it was not mentioned totally that the regional language will be will be brought through this policy. So we can say that the main language should be the English, because as we see, the most of the universities, most of the colleges are making a student read English language. So as per my knowledge, as per my experience is concerned, that main language should be the English language. If we get out of this, means if we go to the other countries where we have to face the English language, why not English should be implemented.
Okay. Next is last questions of this discussions. Would this system run in India?
This is very difficult, that most of the pointed by the expert, if we just take example of the education minister of Mr. Sisodia, said 2 and 3 months ago that it was theoretical. On run, it is very difficult to on run, because it will take a lot of efforts, it will take a lot of you can say the steps through which this will be run by the government. But as per my perspective, this is a very good system. If the government will take strict action, will provide the best facilities to run this system, definitely it would run.
Okay. And the last question is left, could be discussed in the next videos. Question is that what is 5+3+3+4 system? That's all. Thank you.
That's all.